A lack of organization is one of the reasons that contributes student inefficiency, as this results in lower academic results and achievements. Introducing Sbob, a shoulder bag with an organizer and binder. It includes wallet for students' money and IDs, with various organizers for students' school necessities. It also includes built-in binder notebook for students to keep their notes organized. Sbob also has its own logo, which distinguishes it. Sbob is made of leather, canvas fabric, and t-shirt, making it more affordable for all. Sbob, a bag you will love.